After 6 years, my sister finally gives me a present, and it's a Burr basket.
Wow.
And it's because I gave her a present. But it's okay. So we're gonna start off with these. Arizona's dragon fruit mango. I'm so happy about that. I got Whoppers. I don't know what she's doing, but thank God she's doing that because I don't like Whoppers anymore. I don't think she knows that. M&M's I do like, so I'm happy about that. She got me these 2 eyeshadow palettes. Cute, I guess. I like it. I appreciate it. Dry shampoo. Very cute. It's the orange mango one. I don't know why it's in a purple thing. She got me fake lashes, which I need to put on. But I was actually banned by my dermatologist today. A bunch of candy canes that I love. I love candy canes. I was actually about to buy one for myself, but I didn't. Thank God. 2 Vaselines. Little mini ones. I don't think she knows this, but I like Aquaphor more. But it's okay. I will still use it. It's very cute. It's not opening. Anyways, I love her so much, and I appreciate all of that. And we're gonna have to try this. This I never seen.